Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav. So from any screen into nav, then if we click the rotary control across there, you'll see you've got spoken instructions, guidance, routes, and so on. Click it across again, destination input. So we want destination input. Click the thumb wheel in the center. Countries United Kingdom, place and postcode. Click on place and postcode.
Please say the name of the place.
Preston.
Did you mean Preston?
I did mean Preston, yes.
There are only 7 entries in the list. Please say the number of another entry.
1.
Preston. Please say the command street, start guidance, or add as another destination.
Street.
Please say the name of the street.
Chorley Road.
Did you mean Chorley Road?
Yes.
Please say the house number, or say start guidance, or add as another destination.
Start guidance.
Guidance started.
So that's how you do it voice-wise.